Shell Rotella T6 has been the default recommendation from diesel mechanics for over a decade. And Mobil 1 Delvac just came out swinging with a formula that has serious diesel truck owners asking whether Rotella's long run at the top of the diesel oil shelf is finally coming to an end. If you drive a Duramax, a Cummins, or a powerstroke diesel, and you've been running Rotella T6 on autopilot without looking at what Mobil 1 is doing in the diesel market, you need to hear this before your next oil change. I'm going to run these two head-to-head across 4 categories that matter specifically to diesel truck owners and tell you which one I'd recommend for your rig. Let me start with where each oil is coming from. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic has been a staple of diesel engine lubrication for years. It meets the API CK4 and SN specifications, CK4 being the current top tier for heavy-duty diesel engines. It's designed for the specific demands of diesel engines: the soot loading that accumulates in diesel oil, the high combustion pressures, the larger displacement engines that generate more heat over longer operating cycles. You'll find Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 in a 1-gallon jug for about $25 to $28 at Walmart or AutoZone. The 5-quart jug runs about $32 to $35. Mobil 1 Delvac Full Synthetic also carries API CK4 certification and is ExxonMobil's direct answer to Rotella in the consumer diesel market. Their synthetic base oil technology is the same platform that makes Mobil 1 passenger car oil one of the most trusted names in the market. You'll find Mobil 1 Delvac 5W40 for about $30 to $34 at Walmart for a gallon jug. Both are competitive in price, and both are full API CK4 certified diesel synthetics. Round 1 is wear protection, and in the diesel world, this category has to account for soot management. Diesel engines produce significantly more soot than gasoline engines. Combustion byproducts that end up in the oil and increase viscosity and abrasive wear over time if the oil isn't formulated to handle them. Rotella T6 was specifically engineered from the ground up for diesel soot management. Their dispersant and detergent additive package is calibrated to keep soot particles suspended in the oil and prevent them from agglomerating into large, wear-causing particles. In engines I've serviced, Duramax, Cummins, and Powerstroke, Rotella T6 consistently shows strong soot suspension at the end of long drain intervals. Mobil 1 Delvac also has a strong soot management additive package and carries the CK4 certification. But Rotella's years of optimization specifically for diesel applications gives it an edge in this category. Rotella takes round 1. Score: Rotella 1, Mobil 1, 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Diesel engines run under significantly higher compression ratios and thermal loads than gasoline engines. And the oil in a working diesel, especially a truck towing a heavy trailer on a long run, is under sustained heat stress that goes well beyond what most passenger car synthetics ever experience. Rotella T6 5W40 has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and a NOAC volatility around 8 to 9%. Mobil 1 Delvac 5W40 comes in with a flash point around 456 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC in the 7 to 8% range. Slightly lower, meaning slightly less burn-off at high temperature. For a Cummins owner doing long-haul towing through mountainous terrain in summer heat, Mobil 1 Delvac's heat resistance numbers are marginally better. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Rotella 1, Mobil 1, 1. Now here's where it gets interesting. The next 2 rounds settle it for most diesel owners. Round 3 is cold weather performance. Diesel engines are well known for their cold start challenges. That glow plug system exists because diesels need more heat to initiate combustion than gasoline engines. And in cold climates, the oil viscosity at startup matters enormously for getting the engine through those first critical seconds of operation. Both Rotella T6 and Mobil 1 Delvac are available in 5W40. The 5 indicates cold start flow performance. Rotella T6 5W40 has a pour point around negative 42 degrees Celsius. Mobil 1 Delvac 5W40 comes in at around negative 40 degrees Celsius. In real-world cold starts across most American cold climate regions, Wisconsin, Montana, Minnesota, the Northern Rockies, both oils perform extremely well in 5W40 grade. For diesel owners in extreme cold who want additional cold start insurance, both Rotella and Mobil 1 Delvac also offer 0W40 formulations. This round is essentially even, but Rotella's long reputation in cold climate diesel use gives it a slight practical edge from years of real-world feedback. Rotella takes round 3 narrowly. Score: Rotella 2, Mobil 1, 1. Round 4 is oil life and value. API CK4 certified diesel oils are typically rated for oil change intervals consistent with your truck manufacturer's recommended service schedule. For duramax, cummins, and powerstroke applications, that's typically 7,000 to 10,000 miles under normal service, or as indicated by your truck's oil life monitor. Both Rotella T6 and Mobil 1 Delvac perform comparably within the rated interval for most diesel truck applications. What tips round 4 is value. Rotella T6 Full Synthetic consistently undercuts Mobil 1 Delvac by $2 to $4 per gallon at Walmart. Over 3 oil changes a year on a typical diesel. Diesel engines hold more oil than gasoline engines, typically 7 to 8 quarts. Those savings add up. Rotella takes round 4 on value. Final score: Rotella 3, Mobil 1, 1. Here's my verdict. If I had to pick one diesel synthetic for my own diesel truck, I'm going with Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. The soot management engineering, the cold start reputation in real diesel use, and the value at Walmart pricing all point the same direction. Go to Walmart or AutoZone, grab Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic in 5W40 for most duramax, cummins, and powerstroke applications that call for that grade. Duramax LM2 owners, Cummins 6.7 owners, powerstroke 6.7 owners, that's your oil. Check your owner's manual for the exact viscosity your engine calls for, because some newer diesel trucks are running 0W20 or 5W30 specifically for fuel economy optimization. For Duramax owners who want to know they have the absolute best heat resistance performance for sustained towing in extreme conditions, Mobil 1 Delvac is worth the extra few dollars per change. The flashpoint advantage is real under worst-case diesel towing conditions. Everything I mentioned today, the Rotella T6 and the Mobil 1 Delvac in the right viscosities for common diesel truck engines, I've linked all of it in the description below. Just scroll down if you want to pick any of it up. Next time, I'm asking whether expensive synthetic oil is actually a scam. And I'm going to give you a straight answer based on what I've seen after 35 years in the shop. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.